And we're here in Slacks Creek, guys. And look what I found. And there's a lot of birds and finches here, so they drink water. There's ibises. So this is a bit of stretch of nature here, guys. Have a look. Did you know this was here, guys? We're in Slacks Creek now. Just before we get to Underwood. Have a look. Look how nice, guys. It's a cascade. And look at all the stretch of forest that's here, like a mini forest. Look at the little birds having a bath. I don't know if this is from the rain, guys. It looks to be from the rain, but I'm not sure what sort of water is washing up here. There's factories all around, so hopefully it's not factories. It looks like rainwater, guys. Or just a drain. I'll say it's just mainly a drain. Have a look.